What is up, YouTube? We are back today in the garage. Actually, I'm about to go to work. But before we go to work, let me start this video because I have a package for the A90, my Supra. If you need a formal introduction, my Supra. And still rocking the 30-day tag, already buying parts. So in here, I have a solution to probably the only thing I found wrong with the whole car. The only thing, other than lane assist. I really don't like lane assist. So let me get this box open and we will get this video started. Alright, so we got the box open. These nice products from AMS. Boom. In this car, with its extreme aerodynamics and whatever, you cannot ride with the windows down. Because if you ride with the windows down, it makes some noise. It sounds like woo 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 woo. Like if you were in a family vehicle and you left the back window down and all the windows were up, it makes this crazy wind noise. So this is actually for the other side. Let's use this nice bike, my brother's Aprilia, and let's take these out the box. Not gonna put them on yet. Let's test drive it to see if I can get it to do the sound and then go from there. But for the most part, we are going with the boom. Should fit like this and stop the wind noise. Because if you see this little flap right here, it's deflecting the wind around the window. So let's go test drive it and then install these. I've actually already cleaned this with alcohol. Make sure you do that, you know. Get you a nice microfiber and some good old, you know, alcohol. And clean the area. Don't be that guy. Clean the area on both sides. And then we're gonna stick them on and test them out. Alright, so we are on the way to work. I got my windows down. We are in the Supra, and I'm going to see if I can get the windows, the wind, to make the noise. All you really have to do is like 40 to 60, somewhere around there, but it's basically, as soon as you start going fast, it's like your ears are about to explode. Like if you're on an airplane and you're getting at that high altitude, your ears, man. So let's see if we can get it to do it. Let's see. Not yet. Right here. It did it for a second, then it went away. But it's doing it on and off. And I can hear it in my ears. And these new pieces are supposed to stop it from doing the noise, because it really sucks to not be able to ride with your windows down. Like, oh, look at me in my new car out here flexing, but let me roll the windows up so I can hear you saying, oh, is that a Supra? Because everybody says it. It's weird, but you know, oh, is it a Supra? It is. We got those over here. So let me see if I can get it to do it again, because it's doing it right now. That's the noise. The noise that I had to pay $200 for some carbon fiber triangles to fix. So we are going to install these pieces and we're going to test to see if it makes a difference. I doubt it, but I believe in it. Third thing I hate about the Supra, or new cars period, that auto cutoff thing, the worst thing ever. Like, why would I want my car to cut off at every red light? That is so stupid. I'm ready to go. Let me go. It doesn't make any sense. It's like, red light, off. Pull off again, car cuts back on. Nah, keep these turbos nice and warm. Roll my window up so y'all can hear what I'm saying. Keep these turbos nice and warm, because when I hit that gas, oh, it's doing it. It's doing it. I really hope this microphone is picking this up, because it's definitely doing the noise. Yeah, that's the noise. But anyways, stupidest thing ever. Cut off at red lights. I hate it. And then, like, if you cut it off, you have to cut it back on every time it resets. So, like, only in sport mode it doesn't do it. So in sport mode it won't. Rolling up the window. In sport mode it won't cut off at red lights, which is wonderful, because that's when you're ready to go. But I'll be ready to go in regular people mode too. So I don't understand why they got the cut off at red light feature, but you know, it is what it is. So we're gonna fast forward to me not driving and recording, and me at work. And we're gonna put the pieces on at work, and I'm probably just gonna record to see how it sounds after work. Smart. So stay tuned, because I'm about to put the pieces on. So we've made it to my destination, safe and sound. Don't y'all just love that red interior? Launch edition, baby. Alright, so let's get these pieces out, because I want to look at this. Carbon on carbon. I can do carbon on carbon. And honestly, I'm not even the biggest fan of carbon fiber until this car. Until one of 170 of 1500. Carbon fiber, everything. Can't be mad at me. And just let me enjoy my moment, because this is my moment. My AMS moment. My windows down moment, because we're gonna have these windows down. And this one goes on this side. So let me put this thing on. Take the tape. It has tape on the back. If you order these AMS Wind Buffeters, it's called Wind Buffeting. I don't know who came up with the name Wind Buffet, but it's Wind Buffeting. And comes with 3M on the back. Just peel it off. You already cleaned it, or clean it with alcohol, and then stick it on. So let me do both sides. Should be real quick, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Then I'm gonna go to work. Boom. Boom. Here we go. Carbon fiber. Let me focus on you. This is how it is. It just sits with a little plastic on the ground. I'm gonna pick it up. Silence yourself. I'm gonna pick it up, but here's the carbon fiber. Just put it on there. Press it on. You see it has a nice little flap on there to you know, send the wind away. I'm gonna get some carbon fiber caps too. But this pretty much is it. Like, excuse my cut. I was working on the car and got cut. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Self-explanatory. Let me show you the other side. My car's pretty dirty, but look at that reflection. Ceramic coat, baby. And there we go. And lucky for me, I'm parked in the shade. Yeah, flimsy little tree. But in the shade, I'm gonna let that sit there. And by the time I get off work, it should be super stuck on there. So, like, you know, it's gonna be good to go. So there's gonna be nothing to worry. That reflection, nothing to worry about. And I will give you the after ride. So let's flash to me off work. So we are back off work, and nice and sweaty. We're in the Supra. I've driven a little bit, and we have our wind dampening devices on the windows, and we are going to test it out. So I'm pulling off right now. Let me take it out of sport mode so you can actually hear me. And it's looking mighty dark. There we go. So let's see. I'm speeding up. We're at 47. We're at 50. We're at 56. We're at 60. The sound's gone. Completely gone. So 10 out of 10. The AMS Wind Buffet in carbon fiber worked like a champion, because I'm about to hit the gas and see if it works that way too. And no wind noise, just normal wind noise. It is freaking awesome. So great, video is a success. So let me put my camera down and we will check in a second. All right, so we're back at home, safe and sound. We have the Supra right here. Again, successful test. The little wind buffeter cancellation devices, whatever you want to call it, was a success. Check them out one last time. Looks good with my red mirror caps, but we're probably going to change those to carbon fiber too. Check out the fin. It is carbon fiber all the way through, by the way. So it's not some of the stuff I've seen in the garage before. You'd be surprised how often y'all pay for carbon fiber and it's hydro dipped. This is full carbon fiber pieces. You can see it on the back side, you can see it on the front side, full carbon fiber. So stay tuned, because this is the end of this video. If you don't want that wind noise, definitely recommend that purchase. If you got any questions, hit me up on Instagram. I put all of my Instagram stuff at the bottom, and just give me a follow and a like, and stay tuned. I ordered charge pipes, exhaust, wheels, the whole nine. We're doing a complete build on the Supra. I already have the Fortunato coilovers. If you can see, there is no gap in those fenders. That is the rear. This is the front. And this is my A90 Supra. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe my channel for more. You guys have a good day.